Okay. So, Damien learned a new word. And it is not mama. He still doesn't want to say mama. Can you say mama? No. Say SpongeBob.
Papa.
Hey, SpongeBob.
Papa.
He'll say SpongeBob, but not mama. SpongeBob?
Papa.
Do you like SpongeBob?
Papa.
Do you like SpongeBob?
Papa.
Uy.
Papa.
Uy.
Papa.
Uy.
Papa.
Uy. Where's Naomi?
Papa.
Uy. So we're gonna go get Naomi and then we're gonna go to Rite Aid.
So hi, I'm going outside with my daddy and Damien. So we're gonna buy the juice, and this is what my daddy bought us. I thought. Hi guys, we are going outside with my daddy and me and Damien. We're gonna go to juice, and here daddy bought pizza. Yeah, I know.
Hello, it is so nice outside. It's like finally nice here. It is like, how many degrees? Oh, 75. So beautiful. Right, Damien? Anyways, we are gonna go get Naomi, and we need to go get some groceries. You see cheese?
Mommy, put the camera on me. So it's summer, it's so nice in here. And you see in the while, so someone's gonna open the door for us and go back to upstairs to do my homework. So
You don't want to share with me? Sorry. We just got home. Let me show you guys what I got. Got some tomatoes, some garlic. Where's my onion? Oh, big ass onion. Some eggs and 2 of these mashed potatoes. So yeah, this I'm gonna use for tomorrow, and this for today's dinner. Here's the rice. And here are the albondigas. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up.